Hello everybody, today we're going to discuss a very important topic. What startups to expect or develop in 2020? We are amidst the fourth industrial revolution and technology is evolving faster than ever. Companies and individuals that don't keep up with some of the major tech trends run the risk of being left behind. This current year has already ushered a tidal wave of tech innovations from social robots and personal assistants to Amazon's Prime's one-day delivery gamble and the proliferation of voice search. In this video, we'll talk about the most eminent trends everyone should get ready for in 2020. First thing that we're going to discuss is the dependency on AI technology and how it will increase. The ways of adoption of AI technology are evolving and enhancing every year dramatically. This technology, along with its related technologies like machine learning and deep learning, has numerous applications in every industry. For example, chatbots. AI technology have replaced human customer executives to a large extent. The next thing to look forward to in 2020 would be 5G network. Speculated to provide a wide range of connectivity, 5G is alluring a lot of software development companies. It has been presumed that 5G will provide better data security. Moreover, the virtual reality app development like 3D gaming will also improve along with augmented reality and enabled apps. Let's talk about edge computing. What makes researchers believe that edge computing is going to show such drastic growth? This is because it is being used to upgrade cloud computing, which in itself is a growing and embraced technology. How is edge computing better than cloud computing? Edge computing has an advantage for remote areas where connectivity to a centralized location is poor. Another thing to look forward to in 2020 would be instant apps. Instant apps can also be used for texting purposes. Mobile app developers launch these apps to test their mobile applications before their launch. They are smaller in size than usual applications and offer better user experience and better conversion rates. Self-programming trends as well. A number of new programming languages or frameworks are launched and some disappear almost every year. Along with dynamic software technologies, their development tools are also unsteady in their market presence. As the years go by, the importance of apps is not only going to increase even further as people begin to use technologies such as IoT, chatbot, AI, ML software to their daily lives. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.